Hey awesome learners, welcome. In the last part we have explored template inheritance of Django, and we have designed this beautiful websites, but we haven't designed the experience page, education page, skill page, interest page. So in this part we are going to do that. Okay, for that let me just open my Sublime text. Okay, this is my Sublime text. So first what we are going to do, we in our projects app urls.py. Okay, in apps urls.py there is a single route that will targeting home page. So now we are going to define some more routes. Okay, so for that I am just going to show you, this is my website. Uh, here I have maintaining all the codes, so just copy this lines. Okay, the experience, education, skill, interest, hours, this paths copy, and I am going to paste it to below the path. Okay, so let me hit enter and control V. Look what happened. I have created a experience path with view function experience and name is experience, like as education, skills, interest, and hours, all the paths. Okay, let me just save it. Okay, so the next part will be creating the templates. Okay, so first we are going to create a template, that is experience, sorry, next will be we will create the views function. Okay, for that let me just copy all the view function. Okay, here all the view functions, so I am just going to copy from experience to the end, and I am going to paste it inside views.py. Let me hit enter, backspace, control V. Okay, experience, education, skills, and all the view function. Now we will create experience template, education template, skill template, interest template, and hours template. These are the templates what we are going to create. So in template directory, let me create a new file and save it as experience.html. Okay, so the code for experience.html I have written in here, that is education. Next one is experience.html. Let me just copy these codes. Okay, control C, and I will paste it in experience. Okay, so I have placed it in experience.html. Okay, let me just save it. The next one I am going to create is education. So let me copy the name, and inside templates I am going to new file and save it as education.html. Okay, so inside education.html I am just going to copy the lines for education.html. Okay, this is for education.html. So let me just copy these lines and paste it in Sublime text, save it. And the next template we are going to skills.html. Let me just copy it and new file, save as skills.html, save, and the codes, and the next one is interest, sorry, templates. Inside templates we are going to new file and save it as interest.html, and the code, and the final one hours.html. Sorry, skills.html, then hours.html. Okay, okay, I'm now going to save all the files, hitting control S and control S and control S and control S and control S. So next I am going to restart my server, break my server by control C, and restart python manage.py run server. Okay, So I am going to refresh the page. Okay, so first I am going to uh, open education slash education. Oh, this is error. Okay, this error is for slash, so let me just update it. Views and hours and urls.py. Oh, sorry, there is slashes, so let me just delete the slash. I will update in my website, so let me just save it and restart the refresh the page. Okay, this is the experience page. Okay, okay, this is the experience page, then skills. Oh no. Okay, all are taking the experience page, so let me just re-verify what happening. Okay, the error is here. I have just used a single view function, so let me just use all the view function. Don't worry, I will update the code in website. You don't have to do this. This is my mistake, sorry. Just I am going to update it soon. Okay, I have done. I will save it and I will and I will go to hours page. These are the hours, and I will go to skills, and this is the skills, and this is how we are going to build this. We have created all the pages of this website. Now this neighbor is not working, so in the next part we are going to make the neighbor working. Okay, for now this much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.